think it was really crucial to hold a workshop and really educate the teams here at iProspect in terms of how they can actually start working with advertisers and really think more around the strategy when it comes to Microsoft's bot framework.
Today was a really great opportunity for everyone to get their hands dirty with some of this, but in a really simple way, to really bring it to life, solving kind of some of the client challenges of our clients, but also some of the challenges that are out there in the big wide world as well. And not only just kind of doing this behind the scenes in the theory, but deploying these bots straight out there into places like Facebook Messenger. We started today by talking about conversational platforms and kind of what it really means for us to start building.
It's fantastic to be able to engage really on a deep and personal level, because what happened is a lot of people's personalities came out into the bots that were built. So where they have felt that there were real business challenges or real world challenges, actually that was represented in the bot. In Microsoft Search Advertising, in Bing Ads, we collaborate deeply with iProspect. So the fact that we can again do this first with iProspect is brilliant.